Good morning, everyone. So, I'm applying this really amazing homemade mask. You've been asking me a lot about these because they are chemical free. So, I thought I'll share this recipe of this hair mask with you. This is a very simple 3 ingredient hair mask, and you can apply this to strengthen the roots of your hair and hair follicles. So, let's begin. I've taken one ripe banana. Then there's one ripe avocado. This is almost a little less than half of it. It was this much. It's a big avocado. So I've taken half avocado and one full ripe banana. And now I'm going to make a paste of it. If you have a child at home, if you have a baby at home, you can also take his help. Like mine is helping me right now. Making this into a paste is going to take around 5 to 7 minutes. It has to be a smooth paste. It is essential that you take ripe bananas and ripe avocados, otherwise it will be very difficult to make a paste. And the last step is I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's it. We're going to mix it properly. This pack is really helpful in preventing hair loss, and it helps strengthen your hair follicles. So now to use it, take some amount in our palms and put it gently on our hair in circular motions. So you can keep this for around 40 minutes, 40 or so minutes, and then you can rinse your hair with a mild shampoo, and that's it, you're done. Repeat this at least 2 times in a week for best results.